Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back. Bringing you into another video. Got the sensors in today. Got the crankshaft sensor for this one. Also the camshaft sensor. But on today's video, I'm going to be changing the camshaft sensor out on this one. Just got this in the mail. I put the link in the description. So yeah, this one looks really good. I'm gonna go ahead and pop that baby in. You don't need to remove the power steering reservoir, but it makes the things a lot easier. It's really simple job. I've already taken this bottom bolt out, and then there's two more up here. It's a 10 millimeter, and once you remove that last bolt, then this power steering reservoir should just move to the side, and you'll have total access to the camshaft sensor. You don't have to remove the power steering reservoir. I mean, you can access it right there, but it just makes things a lot easier and more room. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and this thing should be free. There you go. But I'm gonna try to move this to the side gently, and I'll bring you guys right back. And we're back. So after you get that moved out the way, the camshaft sensor is right here. Next, what you'll need is the 8 millimeter to remove the bolt, which is this little guy right here. And then yeah, just connect the harness, and then when you take this out, all you have to do is just pull straight out. Give it a little tug, and it will just come right out. And there it is. There's your camshaft sensor. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and pop the new guy in, and we'll be all straight. Same procedure. When you put the new one in, just stick it straight in. You should hear it snap in. Get your 8 millimeter bolt. Just screw the screw back in. Reconnect the harness, and you're done. But I can't do it with two hands, guys, so I'm going to put you on pause for the calls, and I'll be right back. All right, gentlemen, welcome back. Got everything buttoned up. Got the bolt tightened down. Got the harness connected. And just the last thing you do is just get this reservoir back up. Replace the screws, 10 millimeter screws, and you're all set. But that's gonna do it, guys. Just want to bring you in, show you what I'm doing. Tomorrow the alternator will be in, so I'll bring you guys back for that, and check the voltage, and we'll see how this baby goes. But I'm glad you guys are watching, and if you have any questions, just drop me a question on the comments. Peace.